You may know there's a little event going on right now, Will, in California and Anaheim, VidCon.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, I'm not at VidCon, obviously. A few people asked me if I was going to be at VidCon. I haven't been to VidCon in years. It's like, no offense to anybody, but when the screaming teenage girls took it over, I felt out of place. I'm being honest. Like, what am I doing? I felt like who let this guy in? Hell, this guy here belongs
beard.
This guy here, he belongs on a leather sofa, near a fireplace, listening to
wearing a robe,
a jazz record.
Yeah.
Smelling
a cigar,
smelling of fine whiskey.
Yeah.
Whiskey, and so forth. As you know, who let him out of the house? Who let him into Southern California? Nobody was screaming for me. Well, I mean, people came up. Hey, Lou, how's it going? Love your video. No problem there. But it wasn't, oh my God. No. Well, you see, and I can't say I mind, to be honest. Yeah. I don't even know what I would do with that energy. Anyhow, so I'm not at VidCon, but you know who's at VidCon, Will? China is at VidCon. The entire country is there.
Oh.
And they're not, the entire country is there, but Chinese tech companies are coming for America's influencers. You know about this, Will. They want you. You know about this. You've been in it. Well, we've been in it. And you're not going to be in this business for very long without getting approached from every tech company on the planet. I'm just going to be honest with you. You are wanted. You got eyeballs? You are wanted material. We've seen it happen. Man, hashtag ad. Baby. Woo! Kirk knows about it. He's the one typing it out half the time. How dare you, Kirk? Anyway, Tencent, you know Tencent. They're not messing around. Big dogs in the game. Media in China, Tencent. Internet, China, Tencent. They're going to host an event in California aimed at YouTube stars at the same time as VidCon. Try to pull away some of the people from VidCon and go, you know what? It's time for you to get on our platforms. Because of course, in China, they got all their own stuff, own video sites and social media sites and so on. And you know what's been so disruptive in China specifically is, what's the really short form one? TikTok.
Oh, yeah.
But is it TikTok specifically, or is it like a Chinese version of TikTok?
I feel like there's a Chinese version.
Is it a Chinese TikTok? TikTok is from China. I'm talking about TikTok. Yeah, executives from TikTok, which is owned by ByteDance, they disrupted the whole thing. Tencent's like, how dare you all on TikTok? From what I can tell, there's certain things happening inter social media beef. So many players. You got Baidu is in there, Tencent's in there, Billy's in there. Well, and some of them have started to block links to the alternative social media platforms. You remember this? This used to happen. You block the links. Like how Instagram has you can't link out, or they make it hard to do so. Well, some of these, if you try to link to some of these other videos, like they block you. They're like, nah, you can't go there. We're not going to make that easy on you. We're not going to allow that to happen. So they're all scrambling. There's this, the popularity of Douyin, which is China's equivalent to TikTok. That's what I'm talking about. Douyin.
Yep.
See, I couldn't find a name. See, I don't use this stuff. I'm not in China. What can I do? Douyin. It's shaken China's technology industry, according to Bloomberg here. And companies like e-commerce giant Alibaba and search leader Baidu, and of course Tencent, they're trying to defend their turf. So you know what you do, Will? You try to defend your turf? You go to Anaheim in California. Okay? You understand?
Yeah.
You go to VidCon, and you find yourself a couple of YouTubers, a couple of tubers. You say, we're under attack. Douyin is coming for us. Yeah. We need you to get on the camera there. We need you to shake around.
Do some DIYs.
DIY, quick edits.
Some vlogs.
Karaoke, vlog. Do all that stuff for
Makeup
us.
Would be good.
For us. And then we're going to differentiate because we're going to have the media from around the world. So they're trying to get WeChat. See, WeChat as well, the chat service, people don't know. If you're not in China, you don't know this stuff. But WeChat, that's it's like their WhatsApp. But you can pay on there. It's so comprehensive. It's used by 1 billion plus people, and they have blocked links to Douyin on there. Imagine the #1 messaging platform blocking links to the #1 video site. It would be like WhatsApp blocking YouTube links. Like it's just like bananas, right? Like you can't post the link. So it's getting heavy. It's a turf war, and they're doing what anyone would do. You go to California, you go to Hollywood, and you go to YouTubers, and you find yourself some influencers. So they actually list a few who are going to be at the gathering. I believe they have listed, who is it? It's in here. It's in here somewhere. I think Azzy's going to be there. Will, you're a big fan. Celebrities are going to sign some autographs over there. They've got Jordy and Azzy. I don't know who Jordy is. Do you know Jordy?
No.
Nah, me either.
It's just the two of them.
I mean, it's probably a very important person. I don't know Jordy, but he's going to be there. And the Fine Brothers, executives from Fine Brothers Entertainment will be there as well. And who knows who else. You know they're going to be working to attract people who are at VidCon to come to their event as well. But I'm telling you, man, China wants influencers, North American influencers. We can speak to it from personal experience, and they're going heavy-handed because the turf war continues. You got a lot of players in China that you don't even know about if you're not in China. There's a lot of ways to watch video, and there's a few players that are in combat right now, and they're coming for you, okay? You're a YouTuber, they're coming for you.
What if they come for you? Like a $10 million deal right now.
10 mil. I'm out. See you later. No, I'm not out. I say thanks, but no thanks, you know? I got to be on here. I got to speak freely, Will. You understand? I gotta look at the stuff. I gotta see the news. I gotta speak freely. I gotta take a breath. Remember, once in the old days, I used to take a deep breath in a video. You go, you see the way that feels? Do that for me, Will. You see that? Do it in the audience right now. You take a moment. You just deep though. That's all you need right there. That's the essence. It's in there somewhere. Okay. So sometimes you got to take a deep breath. They try to throw 10 million at you. Take a deep breath. It ain't 10 million. Don't start thinking about all the things you're going to buy. Take a deep breath, become one with nature, with your environment, and your better judgment will prevail. Got to keep your words as free as possible out here in this game. This is a hard game. It's a tough game.
Yeah.
It's a tough game, but there it is. China tech companies are coming for America's influencers. Oh, my goodness.